Hello guys, hope you all well. Um, as I said before on my previous vid, that I'm gonna compare my body progress vid from day 1 until day 32. That's when I complete my challenge. Started from 5th of Jan, meant to finish on 5th of Feb, but I had to finish on 7th due to sickness, as I mentioned on my previous vid. Let's see how much progress I made in these days, in these 32 days. Here it is. That's day 1 and week 1. Yeah. That's week 1 and week 2. Yeah, not much. I can't see not much progress right now. Yeah. So that's week 2 and day 25. Yeah, on day 25 I see a little bit progress there. Yeah, I see a little bit progress there. Yeah. So that's day 25 and finale day. The thing is, lightning makes a big difference, you know. It's the lightning that makes, quite different. Yeah, see, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit shredded there. Yeah, that's day 1 and finale day. I see progress there.
humbling, I'll keep doubling.
Yeah, definitely I see some progress there.
Got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
When I did this challenge, you know, I wasn't that fat, so you know, I was fit. I was well. I mean, yeah, I was kind of fit. But now, yeah, now I'm getting progress. Yeah, just a little progress there.
Just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act.
Yeah, so that's week 2.
Knife right in my back, so I keep hustling, you keep struggling, bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling.
Kind of look shredded there.
You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Yeah, a little bit progress. Yeah, not that much, but you know, we're getting there. A little bit progress. Yeah, definitely. I think. I don't know. You know, I just think like that. You know. Yeah, I think, yeah. Okay. You know, the thing is like, the more you see, the more you want, you know. Ain't that right? So, that's it. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the next vid. Till then, bye bye.